Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Wissam Zarqa. This is the sixth session, the summary of the sixth session of research writing, academic writing, but more concerned with research. The first one was about paraphrasing, the second about summary, the third about, I guess, synonyms, the fourth about style, academic style, and the fifth was about references and quotations. And here about combining sources. What do we mean by combining sources? Okay, here's this. Sources could be essays, books, articles for different writers. Now, when you want to present it in the literature review, you want to present contrasting views or similar views, whatever. You need some referring verbs, you need some transitional words, signal words to refer to that. So the idea today is simple, according to, like when you want to present like some writer's opinion, say according to, then the writer's surname and the year the research was published. So this is something we've already talked about before when we talked about references and quotations. So you present an idea. If the second idea is similar, you can say similarly. Again, here in blue, we have the referring verbs, found, notes. Also, like here, we still have similar views about something. Here's like strange idea about prisons, women prisons, and the relationship between them in this one. So now we want to go to a different view. We can use the word however. So we mention the idea, the writer, and we can use a referring verb. So it's all about how to combine different opinions or similar opinions, how to organize them the right way. For example, here we have three writers which have similar ideas, so we group them together. And then we wanted to move to a different idea, and we used however, and we went to the other idea. But if you start with like some opinion, and then you go to the opposite, and then go again to the opinion, that would be confusing to the reader. Here is another example. Here, like there are two sources talking about genetic modification. And so again, we mentioned what source A thinks. Then what we want to move to like something like here positive, let's say, opinion about genetic modification, and here we have a negative one, or vice versa. So when we want to move, instead of however, we can say on the other hand. Again, referring verbs, we have states, considers, beliefs. So it's just, you have to use different opinions to combine sources, and it's good to put them in one paragraph and contrast them or compare them. One final remark here, with the quotation marks, it might be confusing. Why sometimes we have one quotation mark, sometimes we have double. When you want to take a quotation, you use one usually. But if in the source itself there is a quotation mark, now you have double quotation marks. So just be careful about it. Don't use double quotation marks for normal quotation. We only use double if in the source there is a quotation mark. So like you're quoting, whatever. So you have double. So here in the original text, let's go back. Interfering with nature. Let's look to like here. Where is interfering with nature? Here. So here we have one. When you wanted to report it, we have it now as 2. So this is just one final remark I wanted to finish with. Thanks for listening, and I hope it was useful.